How to share your Pinterest profile to Instagram. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your Pinterest profile to Instagram. So let's go. First thing, we go to Pinterest. As you can see, this is the home page. Now you click on this icon here to go to your profile, and after that you click on this icon here in the top. As you can see, now you click more, and after that you click Instagram. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much and see you later.